and welcome to Dendrochronologia Tutoring Recipe. With these recipes, we aim to share knowledge and guidelines about sample retrieval and preparation for dendroecological analysis. This first tutoring recipe will focus on sample retrieval in the forest. Let's get started! It is important to first prepare the sampling procedure. The first thing that you need is a clear hypothesis. For example, whether trees that grow near a river grow better than those that grow uphill. The next step is to choose an appropriate site. In our case, one nearby the river and one 20 meters uphill. Remember to ask permission before sampling. And also remember that taking a core is injuring the tree but not killing it.
Depending on your research question, you have to select about 15 not injured trees per site.
For the sampling, you will need a corer and a core holder. Try to choose a vertical tree with a big trunk. Remember to sample the tree at about breast height. And remember that the angle should be of about 90 degrees. Use the core holder for the first few rotations. In order to know how much the corer has penetrated the tree, you can use the extractor. Once you have more or less reached the pith, you can insert the extractor, turn the corer on the other way around for 360 degrees, and then extract the core. After extraction, you can label the core and store it safely in a quiver, paper straw, or newspaper. Carefully extract the corer. Usually 2 cores per tree are sampled, with 120 degrees distance from each other. Do not clean the corer with the extractor since you might damage it. Finally, this is how you clean a corer after usage. To retrieve a stem disc with a chainsaw, it is important to be well equipped. Be careful not to injure anybody around you. And finally, here you have your wonderful cookie. Now, in the lab, we can prepare our samples for dendroecological analysis. We hope you enjoyed this first Dendrochronologia Tutoring Recipe. Thank you very much for watching.